Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good and fine at home. Okay, today we will start with our SST class for Standard 6. I hope you all got your books, and if you have got, if you turn to the first page of your book, you can see contents. That contents, you can see SST is divided into 3 parts. One is geography, one is history, and the other one is civics. So today's class we will start with the Unit 1 Geography subject, and the chapter name is The Earth in the Solar System. First of all, we will see about the universe. What is universe? What is present inside the universe? Okay. The universe is the vast space having millions of galaxies. Okay, that we call as universe. I hope you all know about the Big Bang theory. That is how the universe is formed and what is it. So let me explain some few things about the universe and what is inside the universe. Sun, moon, stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, etc. These things, they are present inside the universe, and all these things we call them as heavenly bodies, or the other name you can say as celestial bodies. Okay, the first here I have written here sun. Sun, it is one of the biggest star. Sun is also a star, but it is the biggest star found in the universe. Okay, सबसे पहले okay. First we will start with stars. What is star? Star, it is a self-luminous body. Self-luminous body means it is producing its own light. It does not take light from any other object. It is producing its own light. And the second one, stars are very big in size. Though they appear small, they are very big in size. But when we look from the earth, we see the stars are looking small. Why? Because it is very far from us. And these stars, they are made up of burning gases. Already in your previous class, in 5th standard, you have already been taught that sun, stars, they are made of they are a ball of gases. It is made of gases. Then next we will see about constellations. What is constellation? Constellations are group of stars. Sometimes when we look at the sky, we see some group of stars. Okay, next we will come to constellations. What is constellation? Constellation is group of stars. If we sometimes look at the sky, we see many stars at one place. Yes or no? Obviously yes. That group of stars, we call them as constellations. It may have a group of 10 or more than million sometimes when we look into the sky. Okay. So constellation, it is having 88, total 88 constellation till now. The examples are some of the names: Ursa Major, Orion, Scorpius, Taurus, etc. Study about solar system. First of all, talking about the solar system, we think about the planets. But actually solar system, what is it? Solar system is the name given to the sun. And here I have done a rough diagram. This is the sun, and you can see the springs here, and these are the planets that I have drawn here. As you all know, we have 8 planets in our solar system. Here I have given in the diagram. The first planet is Mercury, second Venus, then third is Earth, fourth one is Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the last one is Neptune. And these planets, they revolve around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Planets are spherical in shape and vary in size and composition. These planets they do not have their own light. They get light, or they take light from the sun. And I have divided here planets according to inner planets and outer planets. You see, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these 4 planets, they are called inner planets because they are closest to the sun. And these planets, they are made up of rocks. Then next we have the remaining 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are called outer planets because they are far from the sun. And these 4 planets, they are made up of gases. And as you all know, these planets, they are also having moons. Just as our Earth is having one moon, that is our satellite. And the remaining planets are also having their moons. Some planets have more moons. Some planets don't have even one moon. This is for today's class. I request you to continue reading this chapter. If you keep on reading, you will get to understand. Thank you.